Today, I am reviewing the CLX Horus Creator Workstation. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking for a computer that treats a massive 8K render like a simple background task, you have probably found your way to the CLX Horus. I have been putting this machine through its paces for the last 2 weeks, and while it is undeniably a powerhouse, there are some very real-world realities about owning a workstation at this level that you need to consider before you drop this kind of money. You can check the links below the video if you want to see the current pricing or explore the full spec sheet, but let's talk about what it is actually like to live with this beast. The headline here is the 64-core Threadripper 9980X paired with that RTX 5090. In my testing, this combination is basically overkill for anything short of professional-grade 3D animation, complex fluid simulations, or heavy machine learning workflows. When I loaded up a massive project in Blender, the viewport performance was buttery smooth. It honestly felt like working in real time rather than waiting for the hardware to catch up. The 256 GB of ECC memory is the unsung hero of this build. If you're the type of person who leaves 50 browser tabs open while rendering a project in the background, this system simply does not care. It handles multitasking in a way that makes my previous high-end custom build look like a budget office computer. However, we need to talk about the physical reality of this machine. The Horus chassis is massive. It is not something you are going to tuck away under a small desk. It demands space, and it demands airflow. Even with a 360mm liquid cooler doing its job, this system generates a significant amount of heat under full load. You are going to notice the fan noise when the Threadripper is pushed to its limits. It is not a jet engine, but it is certainly present. If you are an audio engineer who needs absolute silence while recording, you might want to look into putting this unit in a ventilated closet or running some long cables to a separate room. Another point to consider is the value proposition. You are paying a premium for the convenience of a pre-built system that is ready to go out of the box, complete with a lifetime labor warranty. For a production studio or a freelance creator who cannot afford a day of downtime to troubleshoot a hardware conflict, that support is worth every penny. You get the peace of mind knowing that professionals assembled this, stress-tested it, and stood behind the build. If you're the kind of person who enjoys the process of picking out individual components, cable managing your own rig, and spending your weekends troubleshooting driver conflicts, then you are not the target audience for the Horus. You are paying for the time you save, not just the silicon. I was genuinely impressed by the network connectivity. Having the dual 10G and 2.5G LAN ports is a game changer if you are working on a local network with a NAS or a dedicated server. Moving massive project files across the network was fast enough that I never felt the bottleneck of traditional gigabit Ethernet. It is a small detail that a lot of consumer PCs ignore, but it is essential for a workstation of this caliber. There are some disappointments, though. The RGB lighting in the chassis is a bit much for my personal taste, and while it looks sleek, I wish there was a more professional, understated aesthetic option for those of us who want a workstation that looks like a tool rather than a gaming PC. Also, the 4TB SSD is fast, but if you are doing professional video editing with 8K RAW files, you will find yourself needing to expand your storage capacity almost immediately. You will definitely want to look into adding some high-capacity drives shortly after you get this set up. Ultimately, this is a machine for people who view their computer as a revenue-generating asset. If you are a hobbyist, this is almost certainly too much computer for you, and your money would be better spent elsewhere. But if your daily workflow involves heavy rendering, AI model training, or managing massive datasets, the Horus is a beast that performs exactly as advertised. It is expensive, it is loud when pushed, and it takes up a lot of room, but it is also one of the most capable workstations I have ever used. If you want to dive deeper into the technical specs or see if this fits your specific budget, feel free to check the links below the video. It is a serious investment, but for the right user, it is a massive productivity multiplier.